50 space facts. There is no air or atmosphere in space. Since it is a vacuum, sound waves will have no medium to travel to. 2. The hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. The hottest planet in the solar system is Venus' average surface temperature of about 232 degrees or 450 degrees C. 3. There may be life on Mars. Of all the planets in our solar system, apart from Earth, Mars is the one most likely to be hospitable to life. 4. Nobody knows how many stars are in space. The sheer size of space makes it impossible to accurately predict just how many stars we have. 5. Halley's Comet won't orbit past Earth again until 2061. 7. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. Neutron stars are the densest and tiniest stars in the known universe, and although they only have a radius of about 10 kilometers, Sachsen-Piermann, they may have a mass of a few times that of the Sun. 8. There may be a planet made out of diamonds. As space facts go, this is pretty impressive. Research by Yale University scientists suggests that a rocky planet called 55 Cancri E. It is twice the size of Earth and has a mass 8 times greater. It may have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. 9. The footprints on the moon will be there for 100 million years. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, rover prints, and discarded material, will be there for millions of years. 10. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. 11. In 3.75 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide. The Andromeda galaxy is approaching the Milky Way, where our solar system is at a rate of around 110 kilometers per second, 68 MARIS, and eventually the two will collide to form a giant elliptical galaxy. 12. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. This incredible fact is also known as cold welding, and it happens because the atoms of two pieces of metal have no way of knowing they are separate. 13. There is floating water in space. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud that holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light-years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. 14. The largest known asteroid is 965 km 600 miles meno per watt. Discovered by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801, the dwarf planet Ceres was the first and largest object to be considered an asteroid. It is located in the asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter and accounts for 33% of the entire belt's mass. 15. The moon was once a piece of the Earth. The theory is that when Earth was a relatively young planet, it was struck by a giant object, and this collision broke a piece of the Earth away to create the moon. This piece then began to orbit the Earth as a result of its gravitational pull. Thanks for watching.